All right, let's talk about ditching that $5,000 a month marketing agency. You know the one, churning out generic content, slow to adapt and costing you a fortune. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace them entirely with Higgsfield MCP. We're talking about a whole marketing operation orchestrated by Hermes and a swarm of Claude agents, all managed through one powerful platform. First things first, let's understand the core of this. Higgsfield MCP isn't just a tool, it's a command center. It allows you to deploy specialized AI agents, or Claudes as we call them, to handle specific marketing functions. Think of it as having a dedicated expert for every single task, but without the overhead, the salaries, or the ego. The magic starts with Hermes. Hermes is the orchestrator, the conductor of this AI symphony. You feed Hermes your brand brief, everything about your business, your target audience, your unique selling propositions, your brand voice, your goals. This isn't a one-page document. This is your brand Bible. The more detail you provide, the better Hermes and the Claude swarm will understand and execute. Once Hermes has the brief, it deploys the Claude swarm. We're going to set up a few key agents for this demonstration. First, we'll have a Claude agent dedicated to statics. This agent will be responsible for all your static creative assets, social media graphics, banner ads, website visuals. You give it the theme, the message, the target platform, and it generates a range of options, all adhering to your brand guidelines. No more waiting weeks for a designer to get it right. Next, we need a UGC video Claude. User-generated content is gold, but creating it consistently can be a pain. This agent will analyze trending UGC styles, identify opportunities within your niche, and generate scripts and even mock-ups for authentic-looking videos that resonate with your audience. It can even assist in finding and briefing real creators if needed, but the core content generation is handled here. Then there's the email Claude. This is your direct response powerhouse. It will craft compelling email sequences from welcome series to promotional campaigns, all personalized and optimized for engagement. It understands segmentation, A/B testing, and how to drive conversions through the inbox. And finally, an analytics Claude. This is your performance detective. It will constantly monitor all your campaigns, track key metrics, and identify what's working and what's not. It's not just about reporting numbers, it's about deriving actionable insights. So you've briefed Hermes. Hermes has deployed your statics Claude, your UGC video Claude, your email Claude, and your analytics Claude. What happens next? Hermes takes your brand brief and through these specialized agents ships you a month's worth of creatives. Imagine logging in and seeing a full calendar of social posts, video concepts, and email drafts ready to go, all tailored to your brand and objectives. This isn't just a dump of assets, it's a strategic rollout plan. But here's where Higgsfield MCP truly shines, and where it blows traditional agencies out of the water, auto-rewriting underperformers. The analytics Claude is constantly feeding data back to Hermes. If a particular social post isn't getting traction or an email subject line has a low open rate, Hermes will automatically trigger the relevant Claude, statics or email, to rewrite and optimize it. It's a continuous loop of improvement, happening in real time, without you lifting a finger. This is adaptive marketing. Your campaigns are constantly evolving to perform better. And the reporting, forget those dense, jargon-filled reports from your agency. The analytics, Claude consolidates all the performance data into a clear, concise weekly report. It highlights key wins, identifies areas for improvement, and provides actionable recommendations. It's easy to understand, and it's focused on what matters: results. Let's break down the value proposition here. A $5,000 a month agency typically consists of account managers, strategists, copywriters, graphic designers, video editors, and media buyers. That's a team of 5 to 10 people at a minimum, each with their own salary, benefits, and overhead. With Higgsfield MCP, you have one connector, that's you, or a dedicated person on your team who manages the platform and briefs Hermes. This connector replaces the entire creative and strategic team of an agency. The Claude Swarm, powered by Hermes and Higgsfield MCP, handles the execution and optimization. Think about the speed. An agency might take a week to brainstorm concepts, another week to produce assets, and then another week to get them approved. With Higgsfield MCP, you can have a month of content generated and ready for review within days. And the optimization? That happens continuously, not on a monthly review cycle. The cost savings are astronomical. Instead of $5,000 a month, your operational cost for this entire marketing function is a fraction of that. Primarily the subscription to Higgsfield MCP and potentially some credits for AI generation. The flexibility is unparalleled. Need to pivot your strategy, change your messaging, update your brand guidelines? You simply update the brief for Hermes and the swarm adapts. There are no lengthy meetings, no renegotiating contracts. It's agile. So, to recap, you start with your brand brief. Hermes orchestrates a Claude Swarm, statics, UGC video, email, and analytics. The Swarm ships a month of creatives. Underperforming assets are auto-rewritten by the relevant Claude, guided by the analytics Claude. You receive a clear, actionable weekly report. And one connector replaces an entire marketing agency. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of intelligent automation with Higgsfield MCP. You're not just outsourcing marketing, you're building an AI-powered marketing department that's more efficient, more adaptive, and more cost-effective than any traditional agency could ever hope to be. It's time to become the agency killer.